Today, I'm here to talk about photosynthesis and the photosynthesis process. First, let's start with the light reaction. The light reaction takes place in the thylakoids inside of your chloroplast. There are two reactants in the light reaction. One of them is light energy, which is emitted from the sun, and the other is water, which can be found from the ground or fallen as rain. The light enters the leaves through pores and into the clear outer membrane of the chloroplast. Photosystems capture the light and harness its energy. This energy is in the form of high-energy electrons. Next, we have water. Water is sucked up from the roots of plants and distributed throughout the plant. Water ends up inside the stroma of the chloroplast. When the light passes through on its way to the stroma, it splits the water into oxygen and hydrogen ions. There is one product in the light reaction. That is oxygen. When water is split by the light passing through, oxygen is one of the products. Unlike the hydrogen ions, oxygen is released back out of the plant as a waste product. The next part of the photosynthesis process is the Calvin cycle. In the Calvin cycle, the reactant is CO2, and the product is sugar, better known as glucose. The Calvin cycle takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. The carbon dioxide enters the plant through pores just like the light and ends up in the stroma of the chloroplast. RUBP, an enzyme, takes this carbon dioxide and makes RUBPH, which eventually breaks down into glucose. Glucose is made up of two G3P molecules. This glucose is stored inside of the plant for when animals consume this plant and they use it as energy. This is the chemical equation for photosynthesis. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O ends up as C6H12O2 plus 6 O2. This is 6 carbon dioxide molecules, 6 water molecules. Once the photosynthesis process occurs, it is rearranged into glucose, and then 6 oxygen is released as waste product. That was the photosynthesis process.